Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Framer. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that you need to purchase the Pro subscription of Framer to be able to do this. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to framer.com, log in your account, and open the website you will be using. On the top right, click on the settings icon. In the settings, click Domains from the left panel and scroll down to the Custom Domains section, where you will click on Connect a domain you own. Next, go to squarespace.com and log in your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click Domains from the drop-down. In here, click on the domain you will be connecting. This will open your domains overview. Then copy the domain provided here. Go back to Framer and paste your copied domain in this space. Then click on the check icon right here. This action will provide you with DNS records that you need to set up in Squarespace, which consists of 1 CNAME record and 2 A records. Copy the value provided for your CNAME record. Then go back to Squarespace. On the left panel, click on DNS, click DNS settings from the drop-down, then click Add Record right here. For the host, put in www. For the type, put in CNAME. For the alias data, paste the value you copied earlier, then click Save right here. Now you just have to do the same thing to the next 2 A records. Copy the value provided, go to Squarespace and click on Add Record. Since this is an A record, for the host, put in the @ icon. For the type, put in A. Paste the value you copied earlier for the IP address, then click on Save right here. Now just do the exact same steps for the last A record. And that is how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Framer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.